So I'm testing this new arms that Melco sent me, and like I said, they're really not doing anything much for the for this machine, okay? But you hear how loud that is? I know you can't really hear it, but it's louder. So let me show you. So if you look, see how that thing's jumping? You might think it's jumping normally, but it's actually jumping up and down too, because there's that leg is actually hitting. Sorry, the presser foot is actually hitting the machine, the hoop, and it's just vibrating constantly, and it makes it louder. It makes it much louder for everybody who's doing embroidery. Again, when I switch the arms out, you're gonna see my original, because this is the one Melco sent me, see the black one. This is my original one. Alright, this is my original ones right here. And this is the one that Melco sent me. Alright, I'm gonna show you when I put my original ones back on, the ones that I actually modified a little bit. You're gonna see how the machine gets a little quieter. Not by much, but you know, it actually gets quiet by a whole lot much. But you're gonna see it. Alright, and the stitching, well, the stitching is the stitching. That's not gonna change much. As you can see, it looks just fine. I really don't have a problem with the stitching. But you're going to see how the machine gets quieter, stitching out that same design in roughly the same spot. You hear it? Now you hear how much louder it's getting. And as it goes and it gets more to the center here, it's going to get louder. Alright? And that's what I'm trying to, that's what I'm trying to eliminate, that extra noise. I mean, the machine itself is loud because of the knocking plate behind here, that's pretty much normal. Every one of them does it. But you can hear this now, just this noise you hear. Okay? And when I switch the plate, when I switch it out, you're gonna see the difference. Alright? See you in a minute. Alright, now see, now I put my other the ones, my original hoops back on. You see how much quieter it is? You can't even hear it. It's not, and look what happened. See? The thing's moving, but it's not going up and down. It's doing the regular side by side it's doing, but it's not bumping up and down like this. And it's much, much quieter. Okay? So you see, and the stitching, as you can see, and it's stitching, and the stitching, look at the stitching. See, the stitching is even a little better. Alright? So, this is the one, this is my original one that I modified. And look, see it's not jumping and bumming like it's supposed to, it's just doing the regular side and side movements like it's supposed to, and this is the one I modified. So that's what I mean by when I said that the one they gave me didn't really help at all, because I know it wasn't helping me. And just by you see me stitching on it here, you'll see, I'll wait till I get to the next letter, you're gonna see that it doesn't make that horrible sound the first one was making. Let it run through the stitch. But you see, it's much quieter. It's not as loud. It's not making that banging. It's not making that banging noise that the other one was making. This thing finished. I have to redo this design because it's not coming out the way I want it to, so I have to fix it. There it goes. Now look at the second. This one, remember how much the noise it was making? Listen. See that? See how much quieter it is? You can barely hear the machine running. That's what I was thinking about when I said it really wasn't that the little arms they gave me didn't help my problem. It's doing the same thing it was doing before, but making more noise. And that's what I wanted to eliminate, is that annoying noise. Make the machine run so much more quieter. Alright, peace.
Step up your A game, or you'll be ashamed.